In the dawn of our youth, God hands out talents like treasures, gifts raw and unpolished yet beaming with potential. Some of us find our voice in song, each note a prayer, its melody a testament of grace spilling over the edge of our everyday lives. Others wield colors and textures, crafting stories in strokes, painting visions of hope where there were only shadows before. Some build and scalp, make the intangible tangible, with hands that shape the world's rough edges, bringing form to dream. And then there's me, with words as my weapon, poetry as my craft. My gift is to speak, to turn the sacred into syllables, the divine into verse. I stand before you, a messenger, a bridge, words spilling from my lips like water from a sacred spring to the boundless mercy of God. I've seen how a single verse can shift the heaviness of a heart, how my recitations can reach the dark corners of despair and pull out a spark of light. Faces I've seen transformed, eyes that lift from the mirror as my words carve out a space for grace to breathe and love to unfold. This is not just about me, not about my talent, but about how we all are equipped with something to offer this world. Your voice, your hands, your art, they're not just for you, but for sharing, for spreading a glimpse of God's boundless love. We're given these gifts to reflect His mercy, to reflect His light, and to show the world in our own way the endless reach of His compassion. So let's stand up, take these talents and use them to shout, to whisper, to paint, to build a testament of the divine. In every act, in every gesture, we are spreading His love, revealing His grace, and showing the world what it means to be truly seen. Thank you.